He says he's got problems with insomnia, so he doesn't sleep. He took medication, Prozac, but I think Prozac is for depression, but whatever. And he was well for a period of time. Then he stopped it. And this is a common mistake a lot of the people, the patients, do. You must not quit such medication on your own, especially medication given to mental patients or by psychiatrists or psychologists or whatever. You have to gradually leave them bit by bit as per the schedule set by the pharmaceutical companies and by your physician or your doctor. You should not just say, I'm going to quit. This is very dangerous. So now he cannot sleep. And he says, is there anything in Islam to help in this? To my knowledge, there isn't. But also to my knowledge, I know through experience and fact that usually insomnia is caused by either mental pressure, things that occupy your mind, or due to physical problems. The physical problems are solved with medical doctors. They will make their checkups and say that you have a deficiency in this or that, and they will supplement it, hopefully. But when you have a lot of things cooking up here, this is when you tend to get insomnia. And one of the best cures for all of your stress, depression, anxiety, fear, is to believe in Allah Azza wa Jal. And everybody says, Sheikh, we all believe in Allah, we all pray and fast. Akhi, we all practice Islam. And I always ask my patients that come to me in counseling sessions, and I'm shocked by the answer, because 1 out of every 30 managed to successfully answer it. I ask people, after they tell me their problems, do you know the 6 pillars of Iman? Yeah, of course, Sheikh. The kalima, prayer, fasting, hajj, zakat. I said, these are 5. I said, I don't know. These are 5 pillars of Islam. I'm talking about the 6 pillars of Iman. And they say, oh, no, I don't know those. And I said, subhanallah, the essence of your religion is based on these pillars, as in the hadith of Jibreel. So you know the 5 pillars of Islam, which generally speaking, everybody knows it and shares it. Everybody does it. They're Muslim, but on the surface, we can judge them. What's deep inside is your aqeedah, is the essence of your religion, the 6 pillars of Iman. To believe in Allah Azza wa Jal, the Day of Judgment, to believe in the angels, to believe in the prophets and messengers, to believe in the scriptures, and to believe in predestiny, the divine decree, whether good or bad. This one we have a deficiency in. If you trust Allah, if you believe in Allah, if you surrender all your affairs to Allah Azza wa Jal, knowing that everything was predestined 50,000 years before Allah created the creation, before Allah created the universe. 50,000 years before that, everything was written down and done with. So it's written in the preserved tablet that I, Asim, will drop the pen at this specific date, this specific hour, this specific second. Exactly. It's written. If, may Allah preserve us, the light should fall upon my head and kill me, it's written. Should I have anxiety saying, okay, I think I'm going to move a little bit, I don't know what's going to happen? No, because it's going to happen when it's going to happen. You cannot evade that. You cannot avoid it. You cannot escape it. When you have this belief, when you have this content of whatever is to happen will happen, you will not have any anxieties. You will not have any fears. You will not have any worries or stress. Your rizq has been registered 50,000 years before Allah created the universe. It's going to come to you. No one can stop it. No one can increase it. No one can decrease it. So why worry? Why do you worry about your job? Why do you worry about the health of your child? Yes, we're humans. We grieve. We may be saddened. We may be a bit worried. But look at the Prophet ﷺ and Abu Bakr when they were in the cave while migrating from Mecca to Medina. And the idol worshippers and the soldiers and the enemy forces were right on top of them. Abu Bakr said, Prophet of Allah, if one of them were to look under his feet, he would see us. What did the Prophet say, ﷺ? Oh, you're right, Abu Bakr, what can we do? No. The Prophet said, ﷺ, Abu Bakr, what do you think of two? Their third is Allah Azza wa Jal. Look at this Iman. Look at this confidence. This is content. This is tranquility thrown in the hearts of a believer. And it's a very high level. You can get there easily, but you have to work. You have to open your eyes. You have to know your religion. You have to know Allah Azza wa Jal. And wallahi, you will have no problems after that, bi-idhnillah Azza wa Jal.